For centuries, humans have gazed at the stars, a vast glittering tapestry woven across the night sky. We have dreamed of touching them, of dancing among them. But for decades, that dream, that breathtaking possibility was locked away from us and reserved for a select few, the bravest, the brightest, and the most rigorously trained. But now something extraordinary is happening. A new era is dawning, an era of space tourism. Is this finally your ticket to the stars? Let's find out. But what exactly is space tourism? It's more than just a catchy phrase. It represents a fundamental shift in how we interact with the cosmos. Simply put, it's commercial flights into space for recreational, leisure, or even business purposes. Now there are different types of space tourism. Think of it like choosing a flight to a different destination. Suborbital flights, like a quick hop to the edge of the space, offers a few precious minutes of weightlessness and breathtaking views. Then there are orbital flights where you actually circle the Earth, experiencing extended stays in the weightless environment, perhaps even visiting a space station. And finally, the most ambitious of all, lunar flights, journeys to the moon. While still largely theoretical, they are inching closer to reality. The key here is, the gateway to all these experiences is the line, 100 kilometers above Earth. Cross that line and you're officially in space. So, who are the pioneers making these incredible voyages possible? Three names dominate the landscape: Virgin Galactic, Blue Origin, and SpaceX. Virgin Galactic, with its Spaceship 2, takes a unique approach. Launching from an aircraft carrier like a rocket-powered plane, they emphasize the experience, the thrill of the ascent, the breathtaking views, and the sheer joy of weightlessness. Then there's Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, with its New Shepard rocket and capsule. They focus on the astronaut experience, aiming to make space accessible while maintaining a sense of wonder and awe.
Shepard has cleared the tower.
Finally, we have SpaceX, Elon Musk's ambitious company. While currently focused on orbital flights and transporting astronauts for NASA, their ultimate goal is to make space travel a commonplace, even establishing a presence on the Moon and Mars.
Vehicle is supersonic.
They are developing a massive Starship, a vehicle designed for deep space exploration and eventually space tourism on a grand scale. Each company has its own distinct technology, its own unique approach, and its vision for the future of space travel. But what it is really like to be a space tourist? Imagine the rumble of the engines, the G-forces pressing you into your seat, then suddenly weightlessness. You're floating effortlessly like a cosmic dancer. You look out the window and there it is, Earth, a swirling blue marble suspended in the black void of space. The curvature of our planet, so often talked about, is now vividly, breathtakingly real. It's a view that changes you, a perspective shift that's hard to put into words. This isn't just a sightseeing trip, it's a transformative experience, and the preparation is intense. G-force trainings, safety drills, learning how to move in zero gravity, it's all part of the adventure. Now, let's talk about the price. Space tourism is at the moment a costly endeavor. We are talking hundreds of thousands of dollars for a single flight. That's a price tag that puts space travel firmly in the realm of the ultra-wealthy. But is that how it always be? As technology advances and competition heats up, there's hope that prices will eventually come down, making space accessible to a wider range of people. Perhaps one day, the space tourism will be as attainable as international travel is today. Perhaps even lotteries and contests will offer a chance to win a ticket to the stars. But with this exciting new frontier comes important ethical questions. What about the environmental impact of all those rocket launches? What about the vast inequalities on Earth, where many lack basic necessities while a select few can afford to leave the planet? And what about space debris, the growing problem of discarded rocket parts and satellites orbiting our planet? They are not easy questions, and there are no easy answers. Some argue that space tourism is a luxury we can't afford. Others believe it's a catalyst for innovation, a driver of technological advancement that will ultimately benefit everyone. It's a debate worth having, a conversation we all need to participate in. So, is space tourism the future of travel? Right now, it's a privilege, a dream for most, but the potential is there. The possibility of a future where more of us can experience the wonders of space, the awe-inspiring view of our planet from above. Will the prices fall? Will space become more accessible? Or will this spark a new era of exploration and discovery? These are the questions that will shape the future of space travel, and ultimately the answer will depend on us. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.